How to draw a puppy. Boys and girls, a puppy is a baby dog. A little baby dog, and this one is so cute. I'm going to show you some more puppies before we draw our puppy. At the pet store, these little puppies are having a great time playing. For us to draw a puppy, we need a white piece of paper and a pencil with an eraser. Here we go. So get your pencil and draw a large circle. And we're going to add 2 small circles at the bottom for the puppy's face. For the ears, we are going to draw a triangle on the left side of the circle and a triangle on the right side of the circle. Remember, a triangle has 3 sides. I'm going to make this triangle a little larger so the ear is larger. And then we're going to use our eraser and erase all of the inside lines. So we just have the outside of the dog's face. And below where those 2 little circles are, we are going to draw a cute little tongue for our puppy. How many eyes does a puppy have? 2. So draw 2 eyes and put a nose right here. Let's go back up to our ear and round off the corners so it looks more like an ear instead of a triangle. Just round off those corners there. Now let's draw a large oval for his body and draw a leg here. And at the end, draw his paw. And another leg over here with a paw. Let's draw some lines here to show that these are paws. And draw his back leg and paw. Get your eraser and erase the overlapping lines. I am using a Kleenex because I'm on a whiteboard. I'm drawing the little puppy on a whiteboard. Last, we are going to draw what? The tail. And boys and girls, you know, we are having fun just learning how to draw what? A dog. And what is a baby dog called? A puppy. Yes, great job!